Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to turn on and off the hourly chime or beep function in your digital sports watch. So I own this, cheap China made in China watch, digital sports watch, and I've had this problem where it was actually beeping at every hour. And I was like, going into the setting and trying every setting and it did not fix it. So I watched a lot of videos and they did not actually, gave me any solution until I found a one video, and I'll show you how to do it as well. Simply you have to press the lower right button, which is the reset button. If you press this button, it will tell you the alarm setting, which is, as I can see, I've set it up at 6:29. And if to know that your watch is beeping, if this weekday section is here, if it's filled up, which means, let me just show you how it is. Okay, all you have to do is press the lower right button and press the lower left button simultaneously, and you can see it's all out. And if you press it again like this, it will go away. That means the hourly chime function has been turned off. So that's how easy it is to fix the hourly chime function turned off in your digital sports watches.